Group chat is a core feature of AtomChat. There are three types of groups: public, invite only, and password protected. Invite only groups need an invite, and password protected groups need a password to get access. Public groups are accessible in multiple ways. You can invite users, or they can just look at the um, group in the list and just click on it and join the group. We have tried to incorporate all the modern messaging elements like tagging a user, and mention user, forward messages, delete message, delivery receipts, read receipts, and quoted replies. So that's what a modern messaging platform should offer, and users expect that. Another collaborative feature we have is screen sharing, which is very straightforward. It's uh, more or less like all the other platforms that are there, like Google Meets or Zoom calls, and yeah, it works as expected. Um, um, Coming to our video call, it's a by default high def HD video, but it prioritizes connectivity over quality. And the maximum participants that you can have on a call is 6 in a group call. Um, Another way to use a video is do a broadcast, that is one to many, which is typically used in scenarios where one is teaching something or demonstrating a product or a concept, and you know up to 50 viewers can participate in this, and uh, have a conversation on the chat in the left, on the group chat. So another aspect of AtomChat is how multilingual it is. Uh, so this is very helpful for communities that have multinational membership, and which is the case in most communities. As you can see, you can users can do real time translation. They can access transliterate, which is basically writing in your language, and it translates and transliterates into the other language alphabet. Moving on to the next collaborative feature, um, is a collaborative document, which is like Google Sheets but a lighter version of it, and is used by online tutoring focused communities, where they are collaborating on ideas and projects that require extensive documentation. Whiteboard is a collaborative tool that can help people explain abstract concepts. Users can leave voice notes or audio notes for other users, when they need to explain elaborate concepts which may not be very easy to explain over text, and users can then access it whenever they are online next. AtomChat also comes in a different layout, which we call the dock layout, which is essentially showing the chat interface as a widget on the right or the left. Typically, it's right, and also allowing the content of the web page to come up and come out. This is also a popular setting which a lot of our customers and the users prefer to use. AtomChat also comes with a powerful admin panel that lets you do a lot of configuration and a lot of settings. Um, let's have a look at it. So the first thing that user will see is a dashboard, which is basically the snapshot of how the user base is performing. Then you get things like user and group management, and you can do a lot of customizations based on how the chat will appear, what is the UI language. You can select from multiple languages which are preset. Also add your own language, and you can turn features on and off based on what you want to do with your community. You can also based on the roles, you can set features on and off. You can create complex rules about which contacts can see what, and which roles can access what features. The admin panel is really vast, and you can just admin panel. An important thing is for users which kind of login they want, whether they want a site authentication or a social login. So all of that is also available using this, and role-based permissions for features. It's endless. And adding custom CSS or custom JS. It's a very powerful admin panel. Yeah.